Hello everybody. Today I am attempting to repair a Korg M50. We have some problems with the keybed here, where this is the Korg Kronos keybed. As we can see, it looks totally identical to the Korg Kronos. I've already started working because this is going to be a job, so I'm going to do some fast forwarding and some modifications. As you can see, the keys, I've already taken them off. And here we go. So I've put all the hammer weights on now, all of them, so that we can get the springs and the keys on and then do a good proper testing. The reason that I had to take this apart is because the felt that the hammer strike went bad. And you can see once you replace that felt, you can go back and put everything back on, and your hammers are not hitting metal or plastic or anything like that. It's just hitting the felt again. I've noticed that some technicians will cut the bad part off and replace it with the good part. Do not do that. Replace the entire piece. The customer pays for the entire piece, not half the job. What happens is when that goes down, they don't get longevity on their keybed. So testing.